At Bay of Plenty Radiator Specialists, we specialize in the repair and refurbishment of heavy industrial heat exchangers. Today, we will take you through the repair of a V-bank heat exchanger with a damaged head tube. The first step is to remove the damaged head tube. Our team carefully cuts it off and pulls out all the worn tube stub ends. Next, we manufacture a completely new head tube. Ensuring precision and durability, we fit all new stub ends into the new head tube and securely brace in every joint, creating a solid, long-lasting bond. Finally, we brace on the new flange, making sure the heat exchanger is ready for heavy-duty use. To ensure quality, the customer personally conducted a high-pressure test at our facility. We are proud to say it passed on the first attempt, leaving the customer highly satisfied. At Bay of Plenty Radiator Specialists, we guarantee excellence in every repair. Contact us for your heavy-duty heat exchanger needs.
Nice.